Hello students, today in this one I have solved 10 questions of the general science, the MCQs which are given by the Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board for the coming year. Model question paper first one. Okay, the first question of this one is unit of electric power may expressed also be. Said electric power, it is not electric currents here. Volt ampere, kilowatt, watt second, joule second. The correct option is the first one, A, that is volt ampere. The second question is the SI unit of electric charge is here. SI unit of electric charge, it is not electric current, it is charge. Charge means here it is you are going to get coulomb. Okay, the option is third one. Okay, next the that C1. Third question is when light goes from one medium to another, the characteristics that remain and unaffected is it. See here, don't get confused with this one. Little difficult questions are there, I have seen here. So you have to understand the concept until and unless it is difficult for you people to solve physics specially. So look at this one. When light goes from one medium to another, okay, the characteristics here they are not mentioned, denser and whatever it is, the characteristics that remain and unaffected it is it's what doesn't change here. Speed remains same, or the direction of light, wavelength and frequency. That is the correct answer is D1, that is frequency. Okay, which of the following statements does not represent Ohm's law? Remember this one here, what it is given here, does not. Okay, does not represent Ohm's law. So this is very important. See here, does not you have actually you have all the three B, C, D, they represent Ohm's law. See, V is equal to I here. So when you interchange, you are going to get all the B, C, D. So they all are correct answers. Okay, but the wrong one is only the first one, current upon potential difference is equal to constant. It is the wrong answer of that is statement for Ohm's law, but here it is the correct answer according to that question, which is not representing the Ohm's law. Okay, all the B, C, D they represent Ohm's law. So remember this one. So you have to be a little careful. The questions you have to read well. When light goes from one medium to another, see this is also similar to that third one. They have repeated the question. When light goes from one medium to another, characteristic that remains and unaffected is its frequency. It is repeated the question. Sixth one, a positive charge is released from rest. Okay, in electric circuit, when it is released, what happens, it moves towards the region of lower potential. Obviously it is produced in the higher potential level. So from higher potential, see, don't get confused with that one, it is moving towards the region of from higher potential to lower potential, that they are not mentioned here. So it is obviously moves towards the region of lower potential. The answer first A1 is the correct one. Now seventh one, which instrument detect the presence of electric current in a circuit? Here detect is the word here. Which instrument is used to check the electric current, measure the electric current is yours, what is that one, ammeter you are using. Okay, but here what is whether current is flowing in that one and all that, that is presence of current in a circuit is measured by the instrument called galvanometer. See that one twisting. Next ones here, this is also a little confusing. See, I'll make it clear. A turbine cannot be rotated by, see, flowing water, you know very well it can be rotated by flowing water. Heat of sun, you will get confused with the solar energy, is it? But it is not mentioned that way. Here it is asked heat of sun, of course, because of that one it won't rotate by itself. If it is mentioned solar energy produce panels and all that one, in that case we can say that one. And steam, of course you have done experiments on that basis, you have seen that one, steam is once again a source of energy through which the turbine can be rotated. And moving end, obviously you can see that one, you might have played okay, I'll not discuss more about that one. The correct answer is B1, heat of sun, that is second one is the correct answer. Ninth one, look at that one, it is also a little confusing. Light ray travels from one medium to another with the same refractive index. From higher, you have more explanation of higher than refractive index to lower and something like that one. But here it is, what happens here, they are saying here what happens to the light when it moves from same refractive index. In that case, light rays bends or whatever it is, the C is the correct answer, that is bending of light does not occur. Of course, very simple thing it is, because the same refractive index means there is no change in this in its refractive index, that is its bending. Okay, the same in the same way it moves. So the C1 is the correct answer. Now The 10th one, the magnetic field lines here inside a solenoid, okay, are in the form of parallel straight line. The reason for this is the magnetic field inside the solenoids here. They are discussing about the magnetic field inside the solenoid, okay, is what? Uniform. You know that one, very simple. The B1 is the correct answer. So this is what the first 10 questions, little confusing, they are selected from your theory. So study well the lessons. Only 30 days are remaining. So not only this one, these questions will help you in your coming bridge course, because most of you are appearing for your PUC first year. So they are conducting bridge course exams. No, so learn well, follow all the videos of mine and subscribe, so that you will come to know the what updates.